Okay, so we are going to be going under this tunnel. I'll show you. There's a bridge that usually we all go through, but when there's a typhoon category 8, which is the case now, we're going to be using a tunnel instead. So that's what we're going to be doing. So we are going to show you what it looks like. And look at all these people kind of lined up everywhere. So let me put this up on the map, and I'll also get a little bit closer to the bridge, and then we're going to go under it and show it to you. Driving Macau. I know you guys like these videos. Okay. Let's just kind of show you the route that we're taking. This is the name of our street that we're going to be driving down, or several streets. And anyways, let's just get right into it and drive as if you're in the car with me. All right, as if you're there yourself. But yeah, it's kind of interesting. I guess these people are all going around, so it's a little bit confusing how this is all working. So the bridge is closed during typhoons. It's category 8. Tons of people are moving around right now. So you can see that pretty clearly. And we're gonna follow this and go underneath. So we're gonna show you what it looks like. So usually you take the bridge, but then in category 8 typhoons, you cannot. And there's a little safe way to do it, which is what we're gonna be doing now. I'm gonna follow it all the way around. So I have to follow these cars. So let me get up a little bit further ahead and show you. Okay, so we got our traffic moving again, and we're just gonna follow this white car, and you can get an idea what it looks like. So we're gonna be going underneath, and we're gonna be going parallel with the train station as well. It's kind of interesting. It'll all make sense when we get under there. So yeah, now we're going to be going under the bridge. It's always closed except during category 8. If it's category 9 and category 10, this will be closed as well. So this is the only time that you can actually use this bridge by car, as a normal car. I mean, I'm sure it can be open to official government vehicles at any time. Okay, so now we're under it. Let me clean that up a little bit. To the left is actually the train station, which should be closed during a typhoon. So there's no light rail transit system that'll be open at that time. And now we're completely submerged inside of the bridge. So we're inside, next to where the train runs. The train goes above us would be where cars would usually go, and then only during category 8 typhoons this is open. If it's category 1 or 3, you can still go above on the bridge, no problem. And if it's category 9 or 10, then this is also closed too. So then it's completely impossible to go across. But right now it's category 8. It's been category 8. If you're not familiar with the typhoons in Asia, they're the same as a hurricane. But in a typhoon, they label them 1, 2, 3, 1, 3, 8, 9, and 10. 1, 3, 8, 9, and 10. So 1 and 3s, just kind of like, you know, kind of windy and such like that, maybe some rain in 3s. And then by 8, it's there could be some damage. There'd be a possibility of trees that, branches that fall and all kinds of different stuff, storm surges and things like that. So 8, 9, and 10, and then 9 and 10 is the worst. So, and it's kind of arbitrary how they call them between 8, 9, and 10. So sometimes you can have a really, really nasty category 8, and sometimes you can have a quite peaceful, not relatively peaceful 9 or 10. You know, they're not always comparative to what the number is that they're called. But nonetheless, it's category 8, so that means that the bridge above is closed and the tunnel is open. So we're taking it now. And this is basically what it looks like. So I am going to turn the camera off until we get near the exit point. Okay, so we're more than halfway. One of the things down in this particular space, we went over like a hump, and then now you can see to the right, there's kind of these small windows where you can actually get a little bit of sunlight that comes in. So that's kind of interesting. And then it looks like in general, you can also see like these little steps and stairs, which is interesting too. So I guess people can get access to the exterior of the bridge through those spaces, or maybe even come down. I think also if there was some major accident on top of the bridge, maybe they would also open this up for cars, most likely, although I haven't heard of that in the 12 years that I've lived in Macau. I just saw a sign that said Saída in 400 meters. Saída is the Portuguese word for exit. So it looks like we're going to be exiting, and we'll just show you what it looks like, because probably a lot of you have not ever driven during a Category 8 typhoon in Macau, especially over a bridge. So this is basically what it looks like. And you can see all the cars on both sides. And yeah, this is always closed, so I have done this before, and I filmed it. And but this is the first time in this storm that I've done this. So all the traffic is directed, and there it says Saída 50 meters, so we're coming right to the exit now. And now we're going to be shortly joining where we would generally join if we came off of the bridge, which is right here. So there we go. Airport, Koloan, all kinds of stuff. So we just went a little bit further, but that's the train station that all the trains would go through, and then they would go over that bridge. And now we're just moving into just general Macau, Koloan, type of Centro, and all those things. Anyways, that's a good ending spot. So hopefully you enjoyed seeing how that goes, how that works.